Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Being Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started right in the middle with the nose, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. For the mustache, we're going to curve this line up and over on both sides. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Again, let's replicate that again, curving that through towards the middle. And then one more time, we're just going to join that at a point right in the center. Let's draw in an arch line underneath for the mouth. And then for the mouth, we're going to draw in an arch line directly underneath. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this back across. Let's move up for the eyes now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this all the way around and then down on the side. And then we're going to move across doing the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's move in now. We're going to arch this around and down for the eye. And then moving through on the inside, we're going to curve this around and down, creating a nice big arch line. Now on the top, let's draw in a circle for the highlight. And now let's just color in our eye black. Let's move up for the eyebrows now. So we're going to arch this up and down on the side. And then from that point on the inside, we're going to curve this around and over. Now let's draw on the chin. So coming underneath the mouth, we're going to draw in another curved line. And coming over beside the mustache for the cheek, we're just going to arch this line in. Now let's come up for the top of the hat, and we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. We're going to continue back, blending that line together, curving this down on the right. Now let's tuck this in on the side, closing off the hair. And now as we move up, we're going to curve this down, in and through towards the hat. Now let's draw in the ear. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving that down. We're going to add in a small detail on the top of the ear, curving that over. And now let's drop down again, curving that out. Now let's draw on the antenna. So we're going to come up above each eye, just drawing in a small curved line on a slight diagonal. Underneath, we're going to curve this line out. And now as we step up above this, we're going to curve this line around, scooping this through, bringing this back down on the top. Now let's close off the top of the hat. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line. To the left of this, we're going to arch this down and in to the ear. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now let's come down and draw in the torso. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then now in the middle, we're going to draw in another curved line. Closing off the arms, we're going to arch this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in. Let's close off the overalls. So from the middle here, we're going to curve this down, around, and up on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. In the middle of those straps, we're going to draw in a circle for the button. Now in the center, let's close that off with a curved line from left to right. And then as we come down on both sides, we're just going to curve that out. Now from here in the middle, let's draw in a curved line from left to right for the stripe. And then we'll drop down again, replicating that one more time. Now for the wrist, we're going to start on the top, curving this around and back in. Let's come down for the hand. We're going to draw in a corner bracket on the side. Now for the thumb, let's tuck that in, curving that through towards the side of the body. Let's come back up, arching this around and through towards the top for the first finger. Again, moving over, curving that back up. And then again, one more time, curving that around and through. Let's draw the wings behind. So on the top here beside the ear, we're going to curve this around and through towards the arm. Let's step up, curving that out, adding in a small detail inside of the ear. And then let's drop down behind, making this even smaller, curving that down towards the wrist. Now let's just draw on the leg. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides. And then we'll step out again, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the inside here, we're going to curve this around and through. And then on the bottom, we're going to arch this line out. Now let's move up. We're going to close off the front of the shoe, curving this down. And then on the side, arching that around and in. Let's close this off on the inside now with a curved line from left to right. And then we'll move up again, replicating that. And that is it. That's how you draw Bee Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.